My video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware that is called Titancrypt. Titancrypt is a ransomware that encrypts files. In fact, it encrypts only a few file formats. After the encryption is successful, it appends the Titancrypt extension to the file names. Also, it creates a text file and displays a pop-up window mentioning the decryption requirements. So in this video, I will demonstrate to you what happens with the files after they get encrypted. You can clearly see that before the ransomware attack, we were able to open the files without any problems. Well, at least I was trying to open the pictures. But after the ransomware attack, this special Titancrypt extension is added to the files, and it is not possible to use the files anymore. So that's what happens. You try to open the specific file and you get a message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Titancrypt extension. In my particular case, I cannot open pictures. I guess the same applies to music files, to video files, and possibly to some other files. So then the ransomware note and the pop-up note says that customers need to pay the special ransom for file restoration. The ransom amount, by the way, is 20 PLN using Pay Safeguard payment system, a prepaid payment method. However, I strongly urge you not to pay the ransom because this doesn't guarantee that the files would be restored. So I strongly urge you not to pay the ransom if you don't want to lose your money for nothing. So this is the message that says your files have been encrypted. In order to recover your data, please send 20 PLN, pay safeguard, and send the money to the developer of this ransomware. But you should not pay the ransom because this is simply the waste of your time and money. We recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately, and we suggest you to do that with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching your system. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. Most likely, the program would first of all update its anti-malware database, and definitely this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. So the scanning might take several minutes depending on how infected your computer is. Then at the end of the scan, of course, you will see the summary of all the threats. The feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware allows you to add one or several folders on the system that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is the part of the premium license only. However, Combo Cleaner also works exceptionally well in terms of detecting and deleting other threats like adware, browser hijackers, fake system optimization tools, and other threats. So at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we do recommend that you upgrade to Premium to delete all of them altogether and automatically.